In this video, I'm going to give you a complete guide to making money with CPAGrip with completely free traffic. I'm going to explain everything and give you a full method which you can take action with and start earning money. So what we're first going to do is go to CPAGrip.com. Here you're going to sign up for an account if you haven't already. Just go ahead and click on register and fill out this form. Now I'm not going to cover the sign up process because I've got many videos on that already, so just go ahead and sign up and then log in your own time. And then you should be taken to the CPAGrip dashboard. So as you can see, I'm about to log in right now. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard. Here you can see everyone's earnings and people talking. Here you can see your stats. But anyway, what you want to do, you want to go to offer tools and go to my offers. And what we're going to do is choose an offer which is proven to convert and promote it with a free traffic method, right? So what you want to do, if you're in a different country, just go ahead and type in here United States. Click enter, and you're going to then get offers for the US. Now we're going to promote a US offer because they convert the best, and most of our traffic using this free traffic source is going to be coming from America. So scroll down here and you're looking for an offer you can promote. Now these may be different for you depending on what time of year you watch this. For me though, I'm going to use this offer here, install planes live and start your trial. Now if you go ahead and click on this, you can see that this is a flight tracking app, and we can get people who are interested in planes, like aviation, airports. We can get those people to download our flight tracking app, and every time we do so, we're going to earn $2.05, right? So what we need is a community or a traffic source full of people who enjoy aviation, they enjoy flying, they enjoy aeroplanes. Those are our target audience for this specific offer. Now you can promote any of these. You can do this with VPNs, although the payout is a little bit less. You can do this with TikTok. Getting people to download TikTok's quite easy, right? If you go and find an offer which is quite niche, it is usually going to be easier for you to promote. So that's why I'm choosing this one as an example. So install planes live and start your trial. So when people click on our affiliate link, it will redirect them to the App Store, and if they download this flight tracking app, we will earn $2.05. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and promote this offer to a free traffic source. And what exactly do I recommend for this? And how do I recommend that we promote this offer and get people to download our app? Now, first what I would do is this file here is quite long and it's a bit ugly. It's not exactly pleasing to look at or click on. So what I would do is I will copy it and I will go ahead and shorten it with a URL shortening service. Now you can go to your favorite URL shorteners. I like to use tinyURL though. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my long CPAGrip here, and then we can customize this link. So we've got tinyurl.com/. So we might want the end of this link to be tinyurl.com/flight tracker. Let's see if that's available. Flight tracker. Shorten URL. It's not available. So I'll put flight tracker DL for download. Okay, so this is available. So now we've got our link, tinyurl.com/flight tracker DL, which is going to redirect our traffic to our CPAGrip link. And if our traffic then downloads our offer, we're going to earn $2.05. So let's go ahead and get now some free traffic to this link. Now what I'm going to recommend here is going to be the best method for a complete beginner, because it's going to actually give you the chance to get real traffic. It's free, and you can do this whether you've got a smartphone or a computer or both, and it's going to be attainable for you. Right now I've got 3 examples of traffic sources which are similar, so let me just go over these and I'll show you how you can do the same. So the traffic source that we're going to be sending free traffic to our offer is going to be an Instagram page. So this Instagram page here has 456,000 followers. And what they do is they repost very simple like picture memes. Like these are stronger than most relationships these days, showing a meme of one of them like wristbands you get as a kid. And these are very like normie memes. They're not meme specific. But what we can do, because we've got a specific app that we want to download with a target audience, we can make one of these meme pages in the airline, like Air Force aviation niche, right? And I'm going to show you how you can find your content in a second. Here's another example of one of these meme pages with 146,000 followers, and they just upload these very simple memes. This one uploads videos, right? And it's clearly reposted from someone else. It's got credit, right? They've credited the owner. This one, again, bring back $10 Chinese food, $16 apartments, and $20 full tanks. And that's got 409,000 likes. And what these are, they're very simple, relatable memes. Now, when you've got this amount of people looking at your page, in fact, they've got 4.1 million followers, you can put any link in the bio, right? And it will get clicks. So why not put a link which can actually make you money? So what we're going to do is we're going to build up an Instagram page. We're going to try and get it to maybe like 10k followers. Like this one here, 146k followers, good example. This one here, 400,000 followers, kind of a little bit unattainable, but we're just going to try and build to 10k. And we're going to send those 10,000 people to a link in our bio, which again is going to be our CPAGrip link. So now we need to find relatable content, which is in the airline, airplane, Air Force niche. So how do we do that? So one way is to go over to Reddit. Now, if you go to Reddit and you type in here memes and you click search, you're going to see all of these different subreddits that you can go to, right? So type in memes, then go to communities. And here you've got all of these communities full of memes. Now what you need to do is go ahead and go into these communities. So go into r/memes and then search for, I don't know, search for keywords related in your niche. So maybe you search for airport. Okay, so here you go, you've searched for airport, and now we've got all of these airport memes. So why TF, they're a bird at the airport? And you can then download this image, right? This is a kind of like a meme format, and upload it to your Instagram page that you've created around aviation, right? I'll show you another meme, because a lot of these memes don't require you to do any work. So airport workers are a different breed. What you can do on your computer or your phone, you want to go to the image, right click, save image as, and then save it as a JPEG image, right? Now you don't need to go ahead and start overcomplicating this. Literally save good memes in your niche and repurpose them and repost them on your Instagram page. You can just go ahead and create an Instagram page if you haven't already got one, or if you've got a kind of like a page that you've been kind of playing around with, not really uploading any content, I would just change it to a meme page and upload your first meme today. So go ahead and go to create, go and select from computer, and then upload your meme. Now I'm obviously not going to upload it onto my personal account, but this is what you would do. You will click next and you would then give it a caption. Now you want to look at how these Instagram theme pages are captioning their posts. So if you look here, just something short, simple, and unique. So maybe I just write in this, airport workers are a different breed. Then what I can do is I can start to build up a following of people who like my memes, right? And then with that following, I can go ahead and link in the bio my CPAGrip affiliate links. So the link that we shortened, remember, I can link this. And then if people go ahead and download the app, which tracks planes, I'm going to earn $2.05 for everyone that does. And if I can get 10 people to do that a day, then I've made $20 per day, and we're getting close to making 1k a month off our first internet venture, right? This is completely free traffic. This can be all started with right now. So go ahead and try it. It will take time, but it does work, right? Now, if you want something a bit quicker, I'm going to recommend you something, right? And you don't have to buy it, and I'm not going to give you the hard sell, but I'll leave it in the description to Commission Beast AI. It's essentially a free click done for you AI system. It sends mass traffic to CPA offers, affiliate offers, ClickBank Warrior Plus. You can go ahead and read the sales page yourself, but you can see 100% free traffic. Once you get it set up in 5 minutes, it sends over traffic to your offers. Right now it is only $17 and you get all of these bonuses, but go and check it out. I'll leave it in the description. But apart from that, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.